Hey, what's up, man? Are you feeling like your shoulder workouts are just spinning their wheels? In this video, I'm going to hook you up with a killer workout plan to get those Boulder shoulders you've been dreaming of. Whether you're hitting the gym or sweating it at home, these exercises I'm about to show you are all about maximizing those gains and getting you those strong and defined shoulders. Let's jump in and level up your shoulder game today. So let's first begin with the overhead press. The primary target is all three of the heads, with a strong emphasis on the front delts. Why is this effective? The overhead press engages the entire shoulder complex, making it a great compound movement that also involves the triceps and upper chest. It's one of the best overall exercises for building shoulder strength and size. The second on the list is lateral raises. The primary target is the side delts. Why is this effective? Because lateral raises are essential for building width in your shoulders, contributing to a more defined and rounded appearance. To maximize the isolation of the lateral delts, it's important to keep the movement slow and controlled with the focus on the middle part of the lift. Last on the list is bent face pull or bent over reverse flies. The primary target for this is the rear delts. Why is this effective? The bent over reverse fly or the face pull is a crucial exercise for targeting the often underdeveloped rear delts. The movement also engages the upper back muscles, which can improve posture and help balance the shoulder's overall development. Now, don't get it twisted. These are the top bang for your buck shoulder exercises that you can do if you are limited on time or if you just want 3 exercises that will target each muscle group of the shoulder. However, just remember, anytime you are pushing anything, you are working the front part of the shoulder. Anytime you are pulling, you're working the rear delt of the shoulder. Anytime the shoulders are going out to the side for any reason, you are primarily focusing on the side delt. And if you made it to the end of this video, all I want to say is thank you from the bottom of my heart, seriously. All right, I hope that you found something in this video that gets you fired up for your next workout. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. So just keep showing up. Just keep pushing, just grinding. Put your head down, put one foot in front of the other and keep moving forward. And the best part is I'll be here to help you every step of the way. Catch you in the next one.